All right, so let's do some examples for to practice some rules of exponents. We have x, we got x squared, y to the 4 times 3x, right? Now let's take the parentheses out. Let's get the number with numbers and x with x's and all y's together. So we got 3x squared x times y to the 4th. Now here we got like x to the 1, right? So that's, we're going to add the exponent. So we have 3 to the x, well, 3 times x to the 2 minus 1 times y to the 4th. Here we have 3 x to the 3rd y to the 4th. And that's the solution here. Okay? Let's get another example. Well, here we gotta distinguish between, like for example, we have negative y squared parentheses to the 3rd, right? Now this is different than this. Then minus 2. All right, let me just erase this. Wait a second. Okay, let me erase this here. This is negative 2 to the y squared. Well, the whole thing is to the 3rd power. Now, that's a difference, of course, because in the second one, the 3rd power will be distributed to the y squared at negative 2. And the first one, the 3rd power, that's for y squared only, not for negative 2. So negative 2 is excluded. It's not inside parentheses. So here it's going to be negative 2 times y to the 6. 2 times 3 is 6. And here will be negative 2 to the 3rd times y to the 3rd. Okay? Now, here we have negative 2y to the 6. And that's different between negative 8y to the 6. All right? So this is the solution for the second one, negative 8 to the 6, and negative 2y to the 6th power, that's going to be the solution for the first one. Okay, so you got to distinguish between the first and the second one. Let's have another example here. We got 3x squared times negative 5x parentheses to the 3rd power. Now here we have 3x squared. Let's take the parentheses out. So we get negative 5. Again, we're going to distribute the exponent 3 to the negative 1, negative 5, and x. There's going to be x to the 3rd power. And that will be, so 3 times negative 125. Let's get the numbers together. And we have x squared times x to the 3rd. Well, I'm trying to go slow motion here so we can make it clear to everybody. Now, we have negative 375 times x to the 2 plus 3. Negative 375 x times 5, right? Now, I'm trying to go step by step here, but as soon as you get it, you understand the concept and you practice more problems, I don't think you will have, you don't need to do all these steps here. So in the exam, you can just like skip some steps here. Would be a good idea if you do it like step by step if you have time. All right, so that's it for today, and see you next time.